Hello, my name is Chan. I'm from Cisco Networking Academy. For more information, you can visit our website here. Today we're going to talk about why network job is hard to find. Okay? What is a network? A network is an infrastructure. It's a big stuff. It's a giant, big. So it's the same thing like personal spending. How often do you buy house and a car? How often do you buy a house and a car? 5 years to 20 years, alright? So basically you buy once, you configure a few times, then you use a very, very long time. So this is network. If you look at switches, you have one switch with 24 to 48 PC connect. So one switch will have 24 ports. Some have 48 ports. So the PC is 24 to 48 times more job than a switch. So you have one switch, you connect to 24 switches. So you're supporting one switch connect to 24 PC. So you only do one switch, but you are configuring, you are supporting 24 PCs. So PC, a lot more work to do on the PC side and on the server side. So the PC and the server, you got virus, got bug, patch, got new application now and then, correct? Where else the server, you got new user, you got to add in new policy, etc. For switch, you have nothing. There's no bug, no virus, and very few updates. So basically, once you configure there, it remain there for a very long time. It will still work. So then if you look at here, the Cisco router, ISR 1800, 2800 and 300, it was introduced in 2006. And about 10 years, alright, the end of sales is 2011. That means they're no longer selling this product after 2011. Then end of life will be 2006. That means that if you still have this equipment in your network, they will not support it. So minimum 5 to 10, maximum 10 years. So you can change your network at the best minimum 5 years, maximum 10 years. Alright? If you still want their support, basically your banks, stock exchange, where your network is critical. If your network is not that critical, if it still works or not, you don't care. Alright? Some, even though Cisco don't support it, but some system integrator, some small company, they might support it. Okay? They might say, okay, I will support you. In case they break, we will change another one. Okay? So it depends on how critical is your business. Okay? So you need get 5 to 10 years, then only you change once. You change the box once. Once you change the box, then only you get the chance to configure. Otherwise, where you got chance to configure? Okay. Then we look at Network Academy. Before the year 2005, company will take you even without a CCNA. As long as you are bachelor, telecommunication or datacom, whatever, they will take you in. Now, after 2005, UITM, UM, College Tunku Abdul Rahman, etc. There few are about 10 of them in Malaysia. Alright. So you have a degree plus your CCNA. So their degree, once they graduate, they have a degree and the CCNA. It's embedded in the curriculum. So every year there's 200 to 300 students coming out. So company out there, they got plenty of choice. So if you don't have a CCNA, there's no networking job. You can more or less say there's no networking job for you, unless your social networking is good, you know somebody and so on, then probably you'll get some job. Otherwise, chances are very small. Okay, so now from time to time you need to do the survey. You can get the data from JobStreet. First, you can get during February or March time frame. This is a time where people want to change the job after getting their bonus. Okay, they want to change the job. Or July time frame, where the local university student graduate. This is the time where they graduate from April to July. That's the time for them to look for a job. and also year end, some desperate company. All right, so you can look at this URL. We're not going to click in. Okay, let's click in. Oops, it takes some time. So now, okay, we have to close the program, sorry. Restart, okay. So close. Okay, sorry about that. I think what we should do is like this. Instead of, okay, you just cut and paste. Alright, so from here you can see we do the search and you can see the number of jobs here. Alright, from this URL. Okay, so I did a search and we found out that if you do a keyword CCNA, you get 56 jobs. You go to a word CCNP, you get 33. You got CCIE, you got 14. Then you do Linux, you got 287, and all this. Alright, the important keywords. So some of them are duplicate. If you do network, network might not be dealing with CCNA and so on. It might deal with system administration. Alright, that means server and so on. Okay, so out of this CCNA, you divide by network, you only get 8% of the network job related to the infrastructure job. Okay, all of them of all system job. All right, if you combine all the system job, network plus Linux, etc., so you divide it, approximately is 5% of the job. All right, but some of the job you need experienced worker, correct? So in end up is about 2 to 3% of all the job. It is related to networking, related to CCNA or Cisco, whatever. Okay, any questions so far? No, So you look at the top of the food chain, you have plants, then you have cow, correct? Then you have tiger. So in the one jungle, you cannot have a lot of tiger, correct? Otherwise, tiger going to eat what? What is the tiger going to eat? So same thing, you have application, then you have PC, all right, or server, then you have network. So the network is on the top of the food chain. So if you are here, then there's a fewer job, all right, and you need to be good, all right. What happens if it's tiger not good? Cannot survive, correct? The same thing. If you are in here, you must be a capable person, all right, because you are on the top of the food chain. Okay, so the cost side. So from 1996, CCNA bootcamp, it costs you $2,000 for 5-day bootcamp, US dollar. Now you can get a lot of free courses in Udemy. All right, you just go and search. They give you free courses, CCNP also. Okay, then most of the expenses now is on the exam, certification exam, and on the books. All right, if you buy equipment, now you don't need any equipment. All right, you can use packet tracer, GNS, or you can use Cisco Router. Cisco Router is $199 US per year, and there's no need equipment up to CCIE level. You don't need any equipment anymore. So the equipment cost is going down, so there will be more people will get CCIE. Example, China and India, no CCIE, no networking job. Okay, CCIE is very tough. Then in Malaysia, if you know CCNA, later no CCNP, there will be no job for you if you do in networking. Alright, so this is the trend now. Okay, so the vendor sales, now the economy is down, 2017. The vendor sales is dropping, so you can check on Machine Niaga website. Later I'm going to show you, because of copyright reason, I cannot show you on the video. Okay, you can check out public listed companies as Machine Niaga Berhad. You can check their sales year by year. All right, you can see there's a drop. Then the options. If you are a networking academy student, you want a networking job, just join the Cisco Net Rider competition. Every year there is a competition, okay, since 2006. So you join the competition and your name is in the final or semi-final list. You are the top 5 in the country or whatever. So the network job is secure. Your network job is secure because it's published. The list is published in some of the Cisco Academy website. So you should be certified before you graduate. Before you graduate, you have plenty of time. Before you get a job, you have plenty of time. Then just go and take the exam and get certified. If you are not so lucky, all right, maybe a few years down the road, some of you with no networking skill, you're doing help desk, all right, and where else can you go? Just help desk, pick up telephone call, all right. Probably your initial pay might be quite high because you're doing shift, night shift. Nobody want to do one, okay. Or currently you don't have money. Some of our students here, the working adults, they don't have money to do degree, so they come here, try to get a CCNA and CCNP and use that as equivalent as a degree lah. Indirectly lah. See how the company accept it lah. There's one person who came here without a degree. He's now working in HP. Going quite well lah. Degree holder job lah. Okay, he got a certified lah. Or sometime in some company, like some people, they are doing PC support, you know, they are the person in charge of the PC support for the whole company. So he don't see he can go anywhere, all right. So therefore they come here. So they see no future. Every year by year still like that. Age is catching up, 30 plus. Then they come here for the working adults class. Alright, so they come here to do CCNA with us, give us a try. So they invest in yourself. Every year, every July we have an intake. So the cost is 1,660 ringgit per semester. It's the cheapest in town. Alright, so this is my personal opinion. Does not reflect the opinion of my employer. So any question, you can send us an email. Thank you.